Hey guys, it's your boy Epic Gamer, and today we have some Terraria. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna play single player. We're gonna go with Epic Gamer, and we're gonna create a whole new world. Let's go with a large one. Let's go with normal. Let's do random. Okay. Let's name this Epics. Oh, oops. Epics. Epic World. Okay. Submit. Okay, so I will be back once it's all done. Guys, I'm back, and, well, the world is all done, so we're going to hit play. It's resetting game objects, okay. Settling liquids, alright. And we are here. What is this? Okay. Apparently, okay. So, oh, it's the update. The update. This guy's name is Jeffrey, apparently? Yep, his name is Jeffrey. This automatically spawns with Jeffrey here. So let's cut down some wood. Ooh, we have a special axe. It's a keen copper axe, not a regular one. Cut. Come on. It takes forever. Yeah. Wood raining from the sky. Yeah. Woo. Okay. Cut some more wood. 46 wood out of that one tree. Wow. It's a lot of wood. A lot of wood. Did I seriously just cut the end off only? Wow. There we go. More wood. Alright guys, I will be back when I'm done cutting wood. Bye. I'm back, and look, it's our first slime. No. Bad. Good. That was good. Okay. So, I'm back. I finished cutting trees. I now have 380, and there's another slime. Ouch! Bad slime. Bad slime. There we go. Oh, I killed him right in midair. My gosh, it's a squirrel. It's a squirrel. It's a squirrel. Hey, look, there's 10. I'm gonna mine this. Yep, 10 ore. 10 ore. Get the 10 ore. Sorry, Mr. Squirrel, I accidentally hit you. Oh, please. Okay. Don't want to kill the squirrel. Hey, look at the little bird. Bye, little bird. No! No! I'm sorry, Mr. Squirrel. I'm so sorry. No! In your honor, Mr. Squirrel. Alright. Alright, so let's open door. Okay. Okay. There's a slime out there. Okay, what can we craft? Oh, a torch. Okay. What else can we craft? A workbench. Why did you go outside, Jeffrey? Okay. Wooden sword. That's 5 melee. Will you stop interrupting me, Mr. Zombie? I'm gonna take a wooden helmet, wooden breastplate, and wooden greaves. Let me just put these on now. They're trying to get in. Protect me, Jeffrey! Got my helmet. Let's make a sword. Quick. They're almost in. No. Oh, 2 zombies. There's 1. There's also slime. Thank you, Jeffrey. Ugh. No, I don't need any help. Thank you, but no thanks. Why did I create a crafting table if I already have one? Oh well, I'll just place it there. Can I? Okay. Okay, let's see. What else can I make? Can we make a furnace yet? Apparently not. Oh, we need more stone. That's why. Jeffrey, I'll save you! Remember me if I die. No. Die. Come on. Come on. Almost there. This is so weak. This is like the worst sword. Where are you going, Jeffrey? Isn't this how you almost died the first time? Standing outside? I think so. Is that a slime on a zombie? Oh my gosh, that's a slime on a zombie. Yes, fall into my hole. Come on, Jeffrey, help. Oh, you are helping. No, Jeffrey! Stay away from Jeffrey! No! Ouch! There we go. I got gel from that. Let's regen. Just stand here. Alright. It's going up, but very slowly. 35. Okay, you know what? Just go out. We'll grab some stone. So I can make a furnace. I can smelt this tin. Is this smelting? Is that it? That's an eye. Go away, eye. Look, I got a heart. Okay, let's finish mining up some of the stone. Let's do that. There's something over here. Oh yes, there is. Ouch! Doing worse damage than my wooden sword. Okay, I have a copper sword, but the wooden one does better. Okay, that's just weird. Can I craft a furnace? I can craft a silver coin, that's what I can do. Can't really buy anything, can I? I mean, I can't really make anything. How do you make a wooden arrow? Oh. Okay. I think I might need more stone. What's this do? Okay, I'm just gonna leave it unlocked. There's another one of these things. Why is its eye black? Come here. Come here. Oh my gosh, Jeffrey. We make a great team. Okay, let's put torch. No? Okay. There. Yeah, let's put one there. Put another one right there. Okay. Let's walk oh, no. Where's my sword? There it is. Go away. Go away. Go. I'm out of torches, of course. Alright, let's go back. Holding my axe. Maybe this can be our little mine. Oh, thank you, Jeffrey. Ouch. I'm gonna have these things jump high. There we go. Alright, so this actually might become like a mini-series. If we get enough likes on this video, I'll make this a series. So, but yeah, if we get enough likes, this will become a series. It'll be awesome, all that cool stuff. So, I don't know what else to say here. Yeah, leave a like, subscribe. Definitely subscribe, I need it. Well, I don't really need it, but yeah, subscribe and like the video, and turn on your that bell icon. It's right down there on next to the subscribe button, and you will see the weekly uploads that I make. Yeah. So, yeah. Okay, I thought I heard another zombie somewhere. Where are you, Mr. Zombie? Come here, I want to kill you. No. Getting a little too close. Go away. Go away. Nobody likes you. Thank you. What's over here? Is there nothing over here, I'm guessing? No, it's just really dark. Just really dark. There's a bunny! There's a bunny! Hello, Mr. Bunny! Take my sword out of my hand. Hi, Mr. Bunny! Oh my gosh, this is so cool. It's a bunny. Oh my gosh, it's a bunny! Okay. Okay. Do we have enough stone? We might. I don't have a torch. I need torches. Do I have... Okay, I have gel. Oh, what's wrong? Ooh, what's this? Ooh, a fallen star. What's it do? Ah! Jeffrey! Get away from Jeffrey! There's another bunny! He's over there. Over here. Hey, Mr. Oh. It tells you how much health they have? He's got 38 health out of 45. Come on. Don't hurt the bunny. Make sure don't. No! No! The bunny! No! No. Let's make a little thing in your honor, Mr. Bunny. Okay. Let's see here. Make torches. Can I make a furnace now? Yes, I can. Oh, it was 20 blocks of stone. I see. Well, okay, we got our first... We survived the first night. Well, almost. But I'm gonna have to end it here. And I will see you guys later. Bye!